Hey friends, a lot of users are asking about the Brave browser and whether it is a worthy option in comparison to Google Chrome or not. So I'll answer this question. See, here's the thing. You can download the Brave browser from the Microsoft Store, so simply search for the Brave browser and then go to the Brave browser and then click on install. Okay, you will be able to install the Brave browser. Now, while it's installing, I will explain why it is better than Chrome. That is how they have marketed it, and it's excellent marketing, but people do not know about it. It uses the same base, but it has built-in ad blockers. It is faster. Actually, I think that Google Chrome is fast enough, but they say that it's faster. But I have never actually compared the speed. There's no way to compare the speed. I mean, you can check the file transfer speed or the network speed. The network speed is usually the same. Okay. It says that it offers higher security, that only HTTPS websites work, but then Chrome also has that mode. And even with Chrome, you will have that screen where it asks you whether you wish to proceed to an HTTP website or not. It is Chromium based, so it has the same base as Chrome. I mean, it has the same base as Chrome and Edge. Okay. And now, as for the compatibility issues, it says that there can be compatibility issues, but I'll tell you, they do not have compatibility issues. The thing is that the ad blocker is on by default. So when the ad blocker is on by default, that is the one that causes all of these problems. And it has crypto integration if you are into that. Now it has some paid features like VPN, though Opera has it for free, so you can consider Opera if you want to save the cost. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.